have a voice for the video. Today we're gonna be doing this, so stay tuned.
Been forgotten, I Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? Said I've been forgotten, I Joe. I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Here, as you can see, backyard barbecue meal. See a barbecue sauce for a rib steak patty made with chicken, creamy mashed taters, and sweet corn. Okay. Frozen solid. Yeah, I don't really know about this, but I guess we'll find out. I've never done a video about TV dinner, but yeah, right now it doesn't look appetizing. I don't know about this corn. I've never liked corn, but I guess for this video, I'll give it a try. It smells like mcrib. Put it in there for 3 minutes. Yeah, these French fries I ate with it too. Some cappuccino last night. Stir the mashed taters up. Yeah, that smells like a mcrib. Okay, so I gotta put it in here for 2 more minutes. Go. And okay, so I'm gonna start the mashed taters first. See how these are. Yeah, they ain't too bad. I think I like the Hungry Man a little bit better. Now, I don't really like instant mashed taters because they don't taste good most of the time, but these aren't too bad. Yeah, homemade mashed taters are a lot better than instant. Okay, so I don't know if I really want to do this corn or not because I don't really like corn. I could do it for the sake of this video, but corn has no flavor whatsoever. Yeah, it's tasteless. Most corn has some kind of flavor to it, and this doesn't have any at all. And now for the English solution. Super tough. This don't look like an actual rib, I can tell you that. Yeah, that don't look like actual. As you see, this don't look like actual like rib meat. This, but guess we'll find out. So this kind of tastes like a mcrib is what this tastes like. Well, I can go ahead and tell you something that this it doesn't look like actual barbecue. It's more, I said more kind of like you get like a mcrib. It's a little smaller than mcrib too. Mcrib sauce tastes a lot better than what this does. This is kind of stout and strong. Okay, so ranking all these components of this here dinner, so each I think kind of goes into one or two categories. There's better than I expected, or worse than I expected. So worse than I expected goes to the corn, and not just because I don't like corn, just because it's tasteless. There's no taste to it whatsoever. And the better than I expected, it goes to the mashed taters. And the, not the mcrib, the barbecue patty, the ribs. And, the sauce would probably go to the worst than expected because this doesn't taste like barbecue sauce. But, yeah, it ain't too bad. But, I do recommend it. Like, some, cheap to eat, I guess. It don't taste that bad. But, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the Banquet boys. See you next video.